back to Math Media Ganitham Maduram, another episode. Today I'm going to solve linear equations in one variable exercise 2.4, question number 6. Let's move to our question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are 11:4 at the rate rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Let's solve. What is given in the question? We will write it first. Given the ratio of length and breadth is 11:4. Whenever it is given in ratio form, the first one is length and the second is breadth. So we can write the length as 11x and breadth as 4x, because we have to find the dimensions of the plot. Dimensions of the plot are length and breadth. Here we don't know the length and breadth, so we have to give the variable for length and breadth. So we get here 11x and 4x are the dimensions. Also it is given rate of fencing per meter is rupees 100. Rate of fencing, when we will find out the fencing, means we have to find the perimeter of the plot. If we want to get the fencing of a plot, means we have to find the length of fencing or something like that. Then we have to find the perimeter of the plot. Also it is given total cost of fencing is 75,000. So first of all we want to know how much is the total length of the plot. Length of fencing required means we have to find perimeter of the plot. Here it is a rectangular plot, so the perimeter is twice length plus breadth. We can substitute the value of length and breadth here, 11x and 4x. We will get it 2 into 11x plus 4x, that is 2 into 15x equal to 30x meter. So the total length of the plot or the boundary of the plot is 30x meter. That means we have to fence 30x. Total amount of fencing, it is given the cost of 1 meter fencing is rupees 100. Therefore the total cost of fencing will be 30x meter multiplied by rupees 100, that is equal to rupees 3000x. According to the question, it is given total amount of fencing is rupees 75,000. That means we have already find out we have 30x meter length of plot is there, and cost of fencing is per meter is rupees 100. So total cost will come rupees 3000x. Therefore, according to the question, we can write it as rupees 3000x means rupees 75,000. Total cost of fencing will be equal. Now, this is the linear equation we formed. Now we have to solve x. So, x equal to 75,000 divided by 3,000 equal to 25. Hence the length of plot equal to 11x, that is 11 into 25 equal to 275 meter. Similarly, breadth of the plot equal to 4x meter, that is 4 into 25 equal to 100 meter. Hence The length of plot is 275 meter and breadth is 100 meter. Our next question. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Let the length of cloth materials he bought equal to X meter. The length of trouser material he bought is 2x meter and that of shirt material equal to 3x meter. Now cost of 1 meter shirt material equal to rupees 50. We have how much meter of shirt material is there? 3x meter. Therefore cost of 3x meter shirt material will be 3x into rupees 50, that is equal to rupees 150x. Similarly, cost of 1 meter trouser material is rupees 90. We have 2x meter trouser material. Therefore, cost of 2x meter trouser material will be 2x into rupees to 90 rupees 180x. Now we can find for the shirt material the cost price we already found rupees 150x. We don't know the selling price, so we have written capital A. It is given while selling the shirt material, he wants to make a profit of 12%, or he gets a profit 12%. Whenever percentage is given, you can write percentage means out of 100. Profit 12% means if CP of an object is rupees 100, then the profit is rupees 12. Then what will be the SP will come? CP plus profit will give SP, that is 100 plus 12 is 112 is the SP. So we can write like that. That is, whenever it is given in percentage, you can write in the next step, if CP equal to rupees 100, SP equal to rupees 112. Because here it is given profit percentage, so you add with 100. If loss percentage is given, SP equal to, you subtract from 100. Okay, now we come to our question. Our question, the cost price is rupees 150x. So below CP, write down the, according to the question, you write the CP. That is, if CP equal to rupees 150x, SP equal to A. That is, we have to find out the SP of the shirt material. How to solve A? That is by cross multiplication. That is 100 into A equal to 112 multiplied by 150x. A equal to 112 into 150x upon 100. After cancellation, we will get 56 into 3x, that is equal to 168x. What is this? This is the selling price of shirt material. That is, selling price of shirt material is rupees 168x. In the similar way, we can find the selling price of trouser material. We already find the CP of trouser material is rupees 180x. SP we have to find out, that is B we put the variable. Profit percentage equal to 10 percentage means how we can start now? If CP equal to rupees 100, SP equal to 100 plus 10, because it is given profit, so you add with the 100. SP equal to rupees 110. Now write down from our question, if CP equal to rupees 180x, SP equal to rupees B. Now we have to solve B. How to solve B? By cross multiplication. That is 100 into B equal to 110 multiplied by 180x. Therefore, B equal to 100 into 10 multiplied by 180x upon 100. After cancellation, we will get 198x. Therefore, selling price of trouser material is rupees 198x. According to the question, they have given total selling price is rupees 36,600. How to get the total selling price? That is the selling price of shirt material plus trouser material gives rupees 36,600. We already find out with the variable the SP of shirt and trouser material. So we can substitute the value, that is rupees 168x plus rupees 198x equal to rupees 36,600. This is the linear equation we formed. Now add the LHS, you will get a 366x equal to 36,600. Now solve x. X equal to 36,600 upon 366. After cancellation, we will get 100 meter. X equal to 100 meter. In the question, they are asking about the length of trouser material he bought. Hence, the trouser material he bought equal to 2x equal to 200. Hence, he bought 200 meter trouser material.